All right, Capricorns, you were wrong about something. You got the Explorer card out here, first of all, right? So what I'm seeing is kind of off in the distance. I don't know if you can see, but there's like this explosion in the background. And we got the Tower card out here as well. But let me tell you this. You were wrong about something, and it might have something to deal with just the structures of life in general. But I feel like this reading is much more personal. I feel like you had a strong belief in something that was structural at that, and now it's being asked of you to break out of that structural tradition that is so Capricorn, to explore and not to stay within yourself, but to actually forge a path for yourself by looking outside of yourself so you can discover what is within you, the magic that is within you. I'm also feeling like this curious mindset anyway of what was first, the chicken or the egg. Something happened that left you isolated, left you cut off. It's being asked of you to also take that L, hold that L. Like, don't be bitter about it. Get better about it. Something of that nature. I don't know what it is. I don't really care to get too deep into it, because I'm really looking to how regenerate your soul. That's what the cards are saying, not to be all nosy and all of that. You know what it is, and the Four of Cups is out here so that you can get that regeneration, that rejuvenation, something that you were bound to. Has proven to be wrong, has proven to be false, and not for nothing, that is also why the Tower card is out here, to show that something you were holding on to, not only did you hold on to it, but you built it yourself. It's like you built this own castle of your own that was built on principles, morals, whatever you call it, right? Whatever you called it. And it's crumbling down now. This is a personal reading, y'all. Or wherever it applies in your chart or whatever the case may be. So now you get to stop being methodical and structural and just go. The foundation of what you are still exists. It's just that you've got to rebuild it now brick by brick, but you have the experience to know what actually brought it down in the first place. You understand what I'm saying? Like, you see it now. The writings are on the wall. You couldn't see it before because you was in the mist. But you also had this like resource-based view attitude. Like, I got this, therefore I'm going to do this, rather than running the risk of just putting yourself out there completely and saying, look, I'm going to be caught should I fall. You know what I mean? It was more along the lines of, let me stay here where I know the power is, but it was false.